Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on CSS text decoration. And right now we'll be discussing about a small tip on how to remove the underline from links, which we'll be using our CSS text decoration along with the value of none. All links in HTML are underlined by default. Sometimes you see that links are styled with no underline. The CSS text decoration with the value of none is used to remove the underline from the links, like this. When you specify this text decoration of the property, then you are going to have the value of none there. So I'm going to be showing you how this works quickly. Don't want this tutorial to get too long. As you can see right here, you can imagine this. How are you doing? Which we have here. This underline you are seeing right here, I'm going to change it. I'm going to override it. You can find all these tutorial playlists in our playlist CSS text decoration playlist to be able to follow along easily. Now, let me show you how this works. Let's say for instance now we are having our span element. We select it, and this is our span element here, which is having doing. So I want to override that. I want to if I want to override it and do like this one, if I want. So I can just say text decoration and I will give it none. If I give it text decoration none and reload my document, can you see the blue underline disappear? But let's say for instance I want to change uh, the way the element looks. Maybe I want to give it overlay. Let me reload. Can you see? But the color is no more there yet. As you can even notice very well. As you can see, I want to practice something. I want to text something for you guys right here. I will use text decoration color and I'm going to give it blue here. Let me check my document and reload. Oh, I'm going to remove this blue here. I will comment out this. I'm trying to test one thing for you guys so you guys can see what I'm talking about. As you can see, the color works right here, but in this place now, the color is no more working. When we specify, when we reload our document, as you can see, but the override works. So that's how HTML works in some ways. So I'm going to be showing you how you can do this if you are having like anchor tag from the HTML. Let's say you are having anchor tag, which is a link tag from the HTML. Let's just write hashtag right here and just write link, so it can be identical. Let's style it using our text decoration right here. But before we give it any value, let's see how our document looks first. This is our link. As you can see, by default it is having this anchor tag, and also it is having this underline and the color by default. I'm going to give it another I'm not gonna value. I'm going to give it text decoration none. When I give it text decoration none, when I reload, can you see this overrides this? So there's no any underline there again. But if I give it overline and save my document, can you see now the line is overline? And again, I can still do more. Let me just give this a little margin so you can see what we are doing easily. I'm going to give it, so I'm going to give this overline underline. This is it. I'm going to give it overline underline and line through. So you are going to see what will happen. This will look like triangle mark in Yoruba. Can you see all this? It's nice, right? So I want you guys to stay focused with all these kind of things. Try to understand it deeply so you can understand. That's why, as you can see right here, you are no more seeing the anchor target. You are no more seeing just one single underline. Now we are having underline and the overline and also line through. Again, we can manipulate it again. We can just change the color. I change it right here. We can just give it blue violet and save our document. When we reload, can you see this change to blue violet? And when we click, can you see it's taking us to somewhere because it's a link. So there is a lot of ways we can manipulate it in different ways. So I'm just showing you a trick and a tip how you can use this text or text decoration property. So let me delete this. So back to our document right here. Let's say I want to change our own like this. I can do text decoration line. I can give it line 2. And I give it line 2 and reload my document. I'm trying to show you this that the color is going to display right here. Let me remove this one. I purposely want to show you this so that you guys can be aware. As you can see, the color is showing now. Can you see? But if you use, let's say you use only just text decoration, it will not inherit this color again. When I reload now, can you see? It is only black. But if you use this full property like this, text decoration line, definitely you are going to see the color. It's only the underline will change to line through. Let's reload. Can you see? We are able to see the color, even the size of the width. We are able to see it. And again, we can use line underline. We can use underline. We can use overline. So I like when I experiment things for you guys, so you guys can see. Can you see? Now it's working as we intended, as you think. As you can see now it's working properly. But if it this just text decoration line you use, text decoration property you use, you won't be able to inherit the color and the size, but you can only override the underline. So that's what I want you guys to note there. So back to our document. What we have learned so far, we have discussed about the text decoration property, the decoration color property, the decoration line property, the decoration style property, the decoration thickness property. The text decoration property sets all the text decoration properties in one direction. The text decoration color specifies the color of the text decoration. The text decoration line specifies the kind of text decoration to be used, underline, overline, and so on and so forth. The decoration style, the text decoration style specifies the style of the text decoration, solid, dotted, and so on and so forth. And also the text decoration thickness specifies the thickness of the text decoration line. I want you guys to stay focused. And while Akorede Ayofe is my name once again, I wish to see you guys next time, the next tutorial. Peace and love. Have a great day. Thank you so much. Bye bye. And to the next. But before I go again, let me show you what we are here to do. What we did right here is that we remove this using our text decoration. No, we use our text decoration of none right here just to remove the underline. Don't you forget, you can also use text decoration line. When you specify it in your text decoration, the same thing appears. And if you don't want this again, you can remove it. Can you see? Or you can remove everything generally. Can you see? This one is no more there, and the only one that is there is this one. So practice make perfect. And what Akoredia is my Akoredia is my name once again. I wish to see you guys next time. Peace and love. Have a great day. Bye bye.